This is Alma machine number 6044. It's a 6-ton Abex Denison Multipress, model number WR065. The serial number is 23002. It's a 1972 machine. It's in very good condition. It's in our Columbia, Tennessee warehouse. This is the daylight adjustment. So it's going down right now. And this is up. This is motor stop. So if you press this button right here while you're stroking down, it'll show your tonnage, and it'll on this gauge up here. So this is PSI, and then that corresponds to this chart right here. So about 1400 PSI is 6 ton. And this press will come off this base right here. There's 4 bolts that hold it. And then these are brand new buttons. These run buttons with contacts. Here's your control panel. This is inside the panel. This is the existing control. This is the back side of the press. So you got your motor right here and pump. Here's where the fill is right here. Just unscrew that. And then there's your gauge that shows the level.